In this 2-minute tech tip, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your foot pegs installed, and this is actually a pro tip thanks to Cameron Miller. Let's go. What's happening, guys? Greg Hitchcock here. I'm coming to you from the ground today, and we're getting these foot pegs installed on this CR250. First step's going to be a little pro tip from Cameron Namilla. It's actually installing the pin for the foot pegs upside down, coming from the bottom and not coming from the top. This is because if there is a chance that you guys are riding in deep ruts, and if you install the pin from the bottom, that cotter pin could potentially get caught in those deep ruts and mud and rocks, potentially rip that cotter pin out, and that foot peg pin could eventually work itself out, and then you lose a foot peg. Chances of that happening are probably pretty slim, but I definitely like that IDX, so I'm gonna do it on this one. So let's get this foot peg installed. It's kind of a pain in the butt to try to figure out how the spring goes, but the hook on the spring is gonna hook onto that foot peg just like that, and then we'll insert the foot peg into its slot, and then the other part of the spring is just kind of rest on the foot peg mount. So it's kind of a pain in the butt to put the foot peg pin from the bottom up because you kind of have to push the spring in and get everything aligned up. So pro tip, grab a screwdriver or some type of Allen wrench like I've got here, and then drive it through the foot peg like that so it holds everything together. And then what you can do with that pin is just drive it up from the bottom, start pushing, and then you can start pushing that screwdriver or Allen wrench out of there. It just kind of keeps everything aligned, and then give that pin a final push all the way through. Then you just need a fresh washer and a cotter pin, and then you should be all good. Now, it's definitely not the most aesthetically pleasing way to do it. So foot pegs are on. Thanks to Cameron Miller for that little tip there. And I hope you guys also found value by using a screwdriver or an Allen wrench to help get that pin through, to kind of keep everything together in there while you're installing that pin. If you guys enjoyed that 2-minute tech tip, make sure you go punch that like button for me. Head over to the channel where you can find more bike builds and moto how-tos, even product reviews on there, and give it a nice subscribe. But that's all we got today. As always, ride hard, be safe. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.